welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and an overview of a very special product. Here we have a G Shock from Casio, and this is a very special model because this is actually a direct descendant of the first G Shock which was created by Casio. I think it was in 1986. This is the updated version of that. So let me just show you on the box, then we'll go ahead with the unboxing, and I will compare this to the vintage Casio just to show how is it more advanced. All right, so this is first let me tell you the name of this. This is the G5600UE. This is the updated version of the first Casio, that was the DW5600, and this is the solar edition. I wanted the solar one because I wanted a watch which never runs out of battery. So love the sea and the earth. That means this is eco-friendly packaging. Okay, imported India, blah blah blah. I think this is made in Thailand. Yeah, country of origin is Thailand. And model number, okay, the MRP of this 7,995. This there is you cannot always find this on sale, but yeah, I was lucky. I got this for around 5,000 rupees during one of the sales. But right now I think this is selling on the MRP. I will put the link of that below. You can go check that out from Amazon if you want to. Okay, then let's just go ahead and show you what's inside the box. So one thing I was surprised is this one does not have those steel boxes of the G Shock. The last one that I bought came in a nice round octagonal steel box, but yeah, this one, so initially when I got this I was thinking like, is this a fake one? But apparently it is not. I got this from a reputed seller. So warranty card from Casio. This is okay inside a plastic packet. That's really nice so that it doesn't get damaged. But I'll show you. I'll show you the entire thing. Okay, let me just, all right, so we have this. Oh my god, this is a beautiful card. This is a plastic card. This is not paper. Yeah, in different languages, warranty card, customer name, etc etc, Tokyo, Japan. Yeah, so directly from Japan. And this is the regulations of the warranty in different languages again. All right, a big huge module number is 3496. So yeah, how to set the timer. So basically an operating manual for this. I'll go through this later. This will take some time. And I think this is a okay, yeah, this is a smaller one. What to do if your watch does not. Okay, since this is a solar watch, so this has shown how to charge this and how to keep this and store this. Okay, this is, yeah, all right, nice. So the same thing in English, German, French. Okay, nice. Same thing written, some useful information. All right, now let's, yeah, very eco-friendly material here, nice. And let's, okay, in cloth packaging, that's nice. This looks like khadi, pure cotton. Okay, so this is our watch, nice. So one good thing is this is this has a power saving mode, so when it's in the dark it's completely turned off, and when you bring this out it turns on. So that is very different from the usual Casios or any other digital watch. So Casio water 20 bar resist. Okay, that means this is 200-meter water resistant, tough solar. Of course, this side panel you see here, this is the solar module, which if you can, not even the sun, the good thing about this is it can charge under any light. So if it is low, you can just put it under a light source, it will charge. So you can see here there is a dot here, so this LMH, so this is low, medium, high. Right now it is in medium, so if I charge this, it will immediately go to the high one. So there are snooze alarm signal, so if the signal is on, that is every hour it will chime. And let me just show you the light also, how this is. Okay, this is the light. So this is not electroluminescent, this is an LED here. So this is how it looks, but this is really good, not like the earlier one. So I have an older model here, the vintage Casio model, and this is the light of that. And if you compare that, so yeah, actually this looks better on camera. But the thing is, I actually like the digit of this. The visibility of this one is very very good. So if you can, if you do this, the Casio G Shock, actually the angle of visibility is not that good. You see here from this angle it's not clear, but yeah, the older one is really, so sometimes old is really gold. Yeah, this one is really good. This one is the W218H. I will do a full review of this watch also very soon, so go check that out. And this is very very cheap. I think you can get this for around 1,400 something like that, and this one is you know, around 7,000. So big difference, but yeah, I like this. The screen difference also not that much, so this is nice. All right, what else? So protection here, G Shock. This is actually made of bio resin, so that is like very good for the environment. This is not plastic, so this is nice. We have 4 buttons here, and we already saw the light, and these are the setting buttons. It has like 7 or 8 alarms. Of course, this is top solar. You can set the year, lot of like world time. I think it has lots of world time. Yeah, we can set all of this. So this is the unboxing video. I will, if you want, I will do the full review of this and show you how to operate this, but only if you want me to do it. So if the viewers put it in the comment section, if I get enough response to do the review, I will do that. All right, so let's open this. So this is actually, the band is a little rough. It's not very soft. So yeah, but I think this should be very, very comfortable. Okay, so coming to the back side, this is a brushed metal plate, shock resist, shock absorbing structure, and yeah, the name, the seal is made in Thailand, water resistant, 20 bar, same thing here. Okay, there are other G-Shock which actually can sync automatically the time, but this one you have to do it manually. There are Bluetooth models also available which syncs with your watch, but this one is not. This is the plainest version. This has the just have the tough solar, so it will never run out of battery, but you have to set the time manually. Okay, so let me just, I'm also wearing another one. This is the Casio 150. Yeah, you can tell that I'm a Casio fanboy. So this is the Casio 158, and just beside that, this is our Casio G5600 UE. Yeah, quite nice. Yeah, I'm going to use this like anything now. Alright, so that's it for today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe, and if you have any question, just put it in the comment section and I will answer each and every one of you. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out our latest videos. Goodbye.